magnetic pulse. You got a little. There we go.
Yeah.
Perfect.
So this
So this is the pulse that's going through the magnetic the inductor right now. So the build up, as we see here, as I talked about in the progress presentation, and then the decay as we reach the peak. It's set to 5 volts per division. So right now it goes up to about 10, just above 10 volts, 11 volts.
okay.
And it goes back down.
But regarding to the wave, it is not rectangular.
So right now we're working on making it a more of a square wave and more precise, and we're working on the timing as well, because right now it's at 60 hertz and you want it to be 0 and 30, right? Yeah. So right now that's what we're working on, is getting the correct frequency and the right magnetic density.
Yeah, we also haven't got the
Focusing
magnets.
Your place can
Yeah, that's fine. So they'll be in next week apparently. So that's when we'll be able to test like actually focusing the field with the stationary magnets.
Yeah.
So that'll be doing that next week, and we'll be trying to focus it more. What is that?
Yeah, right now I'm just putting one of the cores into this, and I'm putting the Gauss meter at one end or the other, just to see if I can get a stronger magnetic field, just to prove the concept as well. And I think so far it's provided minimal, but I've seen some differences.
Okay. And regarding this material, as Brad said, this may be focusing and this preventing the magnetic field.
One is absorbing the magnetic waves, so when the magnetic waves reach the material, it just is absorbed into the material, so it's not being emitted around the material. Whereas this, the magnetic fields would bounce off, and so if I
test it.
Okay.
The bounce off, that's the absorb.
This one's the absorb? Okay.
Okay. So this absorb and this reflecting the magnetic field.
Yeah.
Okay.
Therefore, it's still keeping it in the area, and it's not taking the reading away from the Gauss meter.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
I see there is a great progress. When do you think it will finish or near to be finished?
We should be finished the outside the design. We're not sure if we can actually have enough time to encase it into like a handheld design.
Yeah. Okay.
But it'll be like
A proof of concept.
a proof of concept kind
Yes.
of thing that your theory works.
Yeah.
But you'd have to like shrink it down to your handheld thing. That's the only thing.
I think
Because the parts have been so delayed for us coming in that we're probably not gonna have enough time to put it to the final model. That's the only thing.
Okay.
So we're gonna be proving that it works or doesn't work, but each way. So far we've been proving that most of it works.
Cool.
So we're gonna be proving that it works.
I think on Applied Research, you guys said you wanted to put it on some plywood, right?
Yeah,
And
I was
then have
gonna make a little spot where we can have everything anchored, and then I was gonna make some little plastic holders to hold
Yes.
everything in place.
Yeah.
And then you could see it all working, and then you could put your hand in front of it or something, or
Yeah.
so you could actually just see how everything's working.
But there would be as area for magnetic field to be emitted for the patient, body of the patient.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
you don't like if you stay on the table.
Yeah,
you
no
won't be able
problem.
to pick it up or anything.
No problem.
somebody could walk in front of it like this.
Yeah, you could just put your hand in front of it or
Yeah.
something.
Okay.
Or if you want to, put your head down on there.
We also had the poster.
Yeah, we have the beginnings of the poster. This is just going to be the poster board for on the booth itself.
So
we're gonna have multiple drawings. We need a company logo as well.
Yeah,
for
okay,
you guys
okay,
to
okay.
If you want
provide
to
on.
email them
Okay,
something,
Yeah, so we'll put that on. I'm gonna be filling in. Phil's gonna be making an exploded view of the AutoCAD design, so you'll see all the parts that are inside the actual device.
All I get is that little corner.
We can make it bigger. Well, this is 48 by 90. Like these are big posters. It just looks small because it's on the
It's
poster.
probably gonna be around like 48 by 90.
Yeah, so think about that
Yeah,
size, right?
these are. Yeah, it's really gonna be exploded.
Okay.
So it may
can
look
adjust
small on
that
here,
too.
but it's just a computer screen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.